Hello, my name is David Gabler. This is the Mileage Tracker app. It's very simple to make an entry. You just put in the number of miles driven, the gallons purchased, and the gasoline price, and submit the record. It will automatically calculate for you the mileage and the cost per mile. It's the users have the settings to be able to use liters. So if you're in a place where you use liters, it will ask you the miles driven, the liters purchased, and the price. It'll show you your mileage and your cost per mile. Of course, I don't use liters myself, so I wasn't sure what numbers to plug in. And you also have the ability to select a diesel vehicle. So in that case, you enter the number of miles driven, the gallons purchased, and the diesel price. Again, it'll show your mileage and your cost per mile. The three tables are mileage users and two tables, mileage records. It uses row owners, so a person can only see their own entries.